Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss a new trick to memorize trigonometric formula. This trick will help you to remind these formula in your mind forever. Today I am going to discuss sum and difference identities of sine theta and cosine theta. Before going to start, we have to write some statement here. We have to write here 2 alpha plus beta by 2 space alpha minus beta by 2. Same we have to write here alpha plus beta by 2 alpha minus beta by 2. 2 alpha plus beta by 2 and alpha minus beta by 2. At the end last negative 2 alpha plus beta by 2 alpha minus beta by 2. This is commonly used in formulas. First of all, I am going to discuss sum and difference formula of sine theta. Here I write sine alpha plus sine beta. Before going to discuss this formula, I write here sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta and cos theta, here I suppose it male and cos theta suppose it female. Sine theta suppose here male and cos theta suppose it female. I just try to create fun, and this fun will help you to remind this formula. Sine theta and cos theta both are boy and girlfriend relationship, but here sine theta sincere, loving and loyal. But I suppose here cos theta, she is girlfriend, she is greedy nature. She is little greedy nature. Both decided to start a new business. Sine theta and cos theta both decided to start a new business. And in new business, both are partners. But at the end, when they take profit or loss, what will be happen? To discuss, how sine divide profit and loss. When sine, first of all, watch sine commitment. I say he is sincere, loyal. Cos theta, I say little greedy nature. When sine obtain something, plus mean profit. When sine alpha obtain another sine, what he decided? Sine here and cos here. When he obtain profit, he keeps with him his business partner cos. When he faces loss, sine alpha negative sine beta, negative mean loss. Negative mean here loss. When he face loss, sine face loss in business, he divides loss and profit equally. This formula shows that when sine obtain profit or loss, he keeps cos theta with him. But we are going to see cos formula, cos alpha plus cos beta. Now cos obtain profit, plus mean profit. What will be happen now? Cos obtain profit, I say are in both places cos will appear. Okay. Here we see when she gets profit, she takes totally profit. When she face loss, negative means loss. When she faces loss, what will be happen? She divides totally loss her boyfriend sine. This formula has been completed. Okay. Now I take example to clarify this concept. First of all, we watch here sin theta profit or loss, he keeps cos theta with him. But when cos theta profit or loss, profit she totally take, and loss she totally give it to her boyfriend sine. Okay, formula has been completed now. Now I am going to discuss example. Take one example. For example, question is given us sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree. What will be the answer? We suppose it is alpha, it is beta. We write here 2 sine alpha value replace 30 degree and beta value here 45 degree. We replace alpha and beta value here. Cos alpha minus beta, alpha value 30 degree, beta value 45 degree. We obtain 2 sine 75 degree divided by 2 cos minus 15 degree divided by 2. So this is the clarification of this formula. Okay. Now I take another example. Now I take the example of cos theta, cos alpha, cos 45 degree minus cos 15 degree. What will be its expansion? Here we suppose that alpha equal to 45 degree, beta equal to 15 degree. As we know that cos alpha minus cos beta equal to cos alpha minus cos beta minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. It is the expansion of minus 2 sin the value of alpha 45 degree replace here, the value of beta 15 degree, same way 45 degree minus 15 degree divided by 2 sin 45 degree 15 degree 16 degree divided by 2 sin 45 degree minus 15 degree 30 degree divided by 2 minus 2 sin 30 degree and sin 15 degree. So question has been completed. Now our lecture has been completed. Inshallah, in next lecture I will discuss with you exercise of related to the trigonometric formulas. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.